Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Candace and I hope that you're having a wonderful, amazing day wherever you are. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to be vlogging my home studio, so a little studio tour. I did make some little renovations, nothing over the top, but I'm going to show you how it was before. I did some painting and rearranging, and I still have some things I want to do, but it's looking pretty good for right now. All right guys, so let's get into this studio tour. Alright, so behind this I have another backdrop, and you guys would have seen this one before. It's the wood one with the icicle lights. I just have them two hanging up together. Morning guys, so it's actually day 2. I had to stop last night because I did not have any spackling for the walls. I had started to paint, as you can see, but my dad came here and he's like, wait, Kat, you haven't done your repairs yet? Like, you know, what are you doing? Oh my goodness, and I didn't have any spackling, so I had to go to the hardware this morning and get spackling to smoothen off these areas where I have like cracking and stuff. So like where there's peeling and chipping. So I got the vinyl spackling. I hope this is the right thing that I got. I've already started you know, filling where there are some cracks and holes. So you can see on the wall here, I've been doing some filling in over here, and I started down here also. I'm just gonna go around and finish the rest of the walls. This is turning out to be so much more work than I had anticipated. But you know, wait, this is not even focused. Hold on. Okay, so this is turning out to be so much more work than I had originally anticipated. But you know, we can get there. Alright, so when you first come through in this hallway area, I just have some of the backdrops that I'm not using right now. I have those folded away, along with some mats and some other paper backdrops. And then down here is just like my easel and also my backdrop stand. I have those tucked away under that table. Okay, so now we're gonna make our way into the studio. Okay, so over in this corner is just a little table that I will use when I need to rest something down while I'm recording. I'll use this table here. Okay, and let me see now. Okay, so as you can see, I have my main backdrop system on that wall at the back, and I have some backdrops attached to that. And then I also have on either side, on each wall, I have a backdrop, and I'll show you a closer look. Okay, and this is my lighting system here in the front. So I actually have a 5-point lighting system, 3 lights in the front, and then 2 lights at the back. It just depends on the look and the mood that I'm going for. You know, that'll determine how many of the lights I use. But yeah, so this is the lighting setup. So 3 lights at the front, 2 at the back. Okay. Okay, so this is my white vinyl backdrop. Then over here I have a colorful vinyl. And then over here is another vinyl backdrop, and this one has like the wood with the icicle lights effect. Okay. And this is my filming chair. My husband also made this one for me. This one is made with pallet wood. And so he made that for me. So I'll have my little rustic chair when I'm filming. Okay, so these are the lights that will be facing me while I'm filming. That's the contrast. So I have 2 soft boxes at the front here, and then my ring light. And then in front of the ring light right here is my tripod, and I've had this for quite a while. It wasn't expensive. I got this one on Amazon, but it has not done me wrong at all. Okay, let me flip this around. What else do we have here? Yeah, so this is where I hang out, guys. Depending on where I want to film on a particular day, I will just turn the lights around. So yeah, I'll just flip the lights around depending on where I want to film. But I really love this setup. And so, well, actually before I started doing the little renovations, these were not on the walls. I had all of these like sort of tucked away, and I hated having to fold and unfold, or I had to either keep it on the backdrop and then the backdrop stand, and then that was getting in the way. So that, you know what, let me just take these down and stick them right on the wall. And so that worked out really well. I just used some tape, some boxing tape, and I taped them right to the wall. That worked out really good. Okay. All right, so let's see what I have over in this little corner in the back here. Okay, also these 2 backlights, these are umbrella lights. I don't have the umbrellas in them right now because I haven't been using them much lately. I definitely use them when I'm using this white backdrop, but normally for the other two vinyls, I do not use these backlights. It just helps to give you more of a richer color. So I don't really use them when I am not filming on the white background. Alright, so on this top shelf, I just have some things tucked away, like some paints that I was using, a steamer, and like my camera box, and a few other little props. I have them at the top there. Okay, and then down here is, I have a basket with my backdrop clips. Okay, always need these. And then inside this container, I have a bunch of my little accessories for my vlogging camera, like the chargers and batteries and stuff. And then over here is just my other camera. This is the T3i. Hold on. Okay, so this is my T3i. So I use this one sometimes when I'm recording in the studio. And then this is my 300 millimeter. Yeah, this is the 70 to 300 millimeter Canon lens. I really love this for when I wanna like go outdoors and you know, shoot some stuff. And those are just my headphones. Okay, and right here is just my camera bag. I keep this thing loaded down with everything imaginable. So this is pretty stuffed right now. All of my extra equipment and accessories for my T3i is in this bag. And then down here I have my tripod case. This is the bag for it. And then my reflector set. So this has like the gold reflector, the silver reflector, also my diffuser there in here. Alright guys, so I don't think this video is going to be too long. Everything that I have in here right now, I did not buy everything, you know, at one time, obviously. I just sort of built up my collection, you know, over time. The very first thing that I purchased was my first camera. I don't have that one anymore. I gave it away. And so right now I'm using my T3i and also my Canon M10. But yeah, the very first thing that I purchased was my camera. That was my first purchase. And then I just slowly added equipment to it. So I got my camera, then I got a tripod, then I got some lights, and then I started getting backdrops. And I just, you know, whenever I got some extra funds, I would get, you know, a piece of equipment that I was, you know, that I had, you know, in my mind to order. I do want to do a few more things in here. I'm going to see how that works out. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the comment section below. Do you have a home studio? Are you a content creator here on YouTube? Let me know down below so I can definitely check out your channel. And yeah, what do you think about this home studio tour and this home studio? Yes, all right guys, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload from your girl. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.